Work from home. Looking for a new job can be an all-consuming process, to say the least, since there are so many different components to consider when browsing through job postings. Maybe you're looking for a flexible work-from-home job that lets you spend time with your family, or perhaps you just want to make some extra money with a side hustle outside of your 9-to-5. If either of those situations ring a bell for you, you might want to consider learning how to become a virtual assistant. This job, though not for everyone, could be the perfect fit for someone who is organized, sociable, and knows how to use a computer. If this sounds like you and you think being a virtual assistant could be the perfect career opportunity, check out all the details below on what the job entails, how much you can expect to make, and where to find jobs. What does a virtual assistant do? According to FlexJobs, a virtual assistant often works for businesses or entrepreneurs, handling a variety of tasks, from customer support to administrative tasks to social media management. Virtual assistants work remotely, so you can do the job from the comfort of your own home. Personal finance site DollarSprout has some information about some of the things virtual assistants frequently do, which can include responding to emails or messages, processing orders or returns, communicating about products, services with clients, etc. Entering data, managing calendars, scheduling meetings, booking travel arrangements, etc. Posting to the organization's social media channels or website, moderating comments, updating profiles, editing or writing posts, etc. Emailing newsletters, designing email templates, updating email lists, etc. Of course, the duties of a virtual assistant are determined by the business needs and what you can offer to it. Ashley Anderson, who runs the blog Work From Home Happiness, suggests picking a niche and emphasizing any specialized skills you bring to the table, like basic programming or proofreading. Don't be afraid to sell yourself, this is a job application after all. What qualities does a virtual assistant need? To be able to complete all of the tasks that a virtual assistant needs to accomplish, there are a few skills across the board that any virtual assistant needs to have, according to FlexJobs. Outstanding written communication, great verbal communication, reliable, amazing time management skills, easily reachable by clients, experience with cloud-based communication technologies, experience with phone and video conferencing, extremely organized. Where can I find virtual assistant jobs? As with most jobs, networking is key. You can start by reaching out directly to small businesses to offer your services. If they say no, you can still continue to build the relationship in an effort to get leads or a job in the future. There are also people or businesses seeking virtual assistants on sites like Indeed, Monster, and Upwork. You can also find gigs on other virtual assistant-focused websites including Fancy Hands, Belay, and Time, etc. In the meantime, build up your own online presence through a simple website and professional social media channels. How much can I make as a virtual assistant? According to Glassdoor, a virtual assistant can expect to make $26,350 a year, on average. Many of these jobs pay hourly, and rates can be anywhere between $9 per hour on the lower end, or $25 per hour on the higher end, according to Glassdoor's salary reports. Some companies may also pay monthly or weekly for your services, so it's worth checking before you commit to taking on a job. Of course, as you gain more experience as a virtual assistant, you can consider adjusting your rates accordingly. If you're bringing any specialized skills to the job, you should be compensated at a higher rate. How can I grow my virtual assistant business? Once you've worked with a couple of clients, you can ask them to provide reviews or testimonies that you can share on your own site or social channels. Ali the Happy VA, who blogs about working from home as a virtual assistant, suggests asking clients for feedback shortly after delivering a project so that your hard work is fresh in their minds. Having these testimonials available for prospective clients can go a long way in building your virtual assistant business. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.